Sir, my name is C. Govindarajulu from CSC, studying in your college. Today, my topic is free radical polymerization of PVC. Outline of my topic: preparation of PVC, introduction of free radical of PVC, propagation in free radical polymerization, termination in PVC polymerization, applications of polyvinyl chloride, chain transfer in PVC, importance of PVC. Preparation of polyvinyl chloride. Polyvinyl chloride is obtained water emulsion vinyl chloride under pressure. The presence of hydrogen peroxide or benzene peroxide. Introduction to free radical polymerization of PVC. Free radical polymerization is a common method used to produce polyvinyl chloride. PVC is a versatile polymer with a wide range of applications including pipes, cables and flooring. In free radical polymerization, the polymer chains are formed through the addition of reactive free radicals. Initiators in free radical polymerization. Initiation is the first step to free radical polymerization where a reactive species are generated. Organic peroxides and azo compounds are commonly used initiators in PVC polymerization. These initiators decomposes upon heating, producing free radical that start the polymerization process. Propagation in free radical polymerization. Propagation is a step where monomers are added to a growing polymer chain. In PVC polymerization, vinyl chloride monomers added to growing chain through a free radical mechanism. The addition of monomer to the polymer chain continues until the reaction is terminated. Termination in free radical polymerization. Termination is the final step in free radical polymerization where the polymer chains stop growing. Termination can occur through combination where two growing chains react to form a single chain. Alternatively, termination can occur through a disproportional where a growing chain reacts with a free radical to form a small molecule and terminating chain. Chain transfers in free radical polymerization. Chain transfers is a side reaction that occurs free radical polymerization. It involves the transfers of growing polymer chain to a small molecule of another molecule. Chain transfers can affect the molecular weight and the properties of final PVC polymer. Factors affecting free radical polymerization of PVC. Temperature. High temperatures increase the reaction rate but can also lead to unwanted side reactions. Concentrations of initiator. High initiator concentration result in faster polymerization. Monomer concentration. Higher monomer concentrations promote faster reaction rates. These are some applications of PVC in our day-to-day life. Plastic pipes. Plastic pipes are mainly used in our daily life to transfer say water, and plastic pipes ways are used to connect plastic pipes using in taps. Importance of free radical polymerization for PVC production. Free radical polymerization allows from the production of PVC with controlled molecular weight and properties. It enables the efficient synthesis of PVC on industrial scale. The versatility of free radical polymerization allows from the modification of PVC to specific applications. Challenges in free radical polymerization of PVC. Unwanted side reactions such as chain transfer and termination can affect molecular weight distribution of PVC. Controlling the reaction conditions such as temperature and initiator concentration is crucial the obtaining desired properties. Managing the stability and reactive of the reactive species involving polymerization process can be challenging. Conclusion. Finally, I conclude that free radical polymerization is a widely used method for PVC production. Understanding the initiation, propagation, termination, and chain transfer steps is crucial for controlling PVC polymerization. Ongoing research and advances aim to improve the efficiency and properties of PVC through free radical polymerization. Thank you, sir.